Hi guys, I'm gonna show you a package I just received from Ugreen from Aliexpress. I think it is a micro USB cable for fast charging and 18 watts charger for my Samsung S7 Edge. Let's see. This is the package. Okay, it arrived to Barcelona where I live. So let's see. Okay, this is the cable for quick charge, micro USB. Okay. And the charger. Ugreen. This was like I'm not sure about. It was about 11 euros. Cable and the charger, 11 euros, with shipment included. Okay, let's see. We can open this. This is because I lost my original charger and now I don't have any charger for quick charge of my Samsung S7. Okay, it was from here. So here it is. Oh, it's quite big. It's much bigger than my original Samsung charger. Cable. Okay, we're gonna do a quick test with my Samsung S7 and the charger. I have here a cable with elasticity and I'm gonna see if the quick charge works. Okay, it's here. This from my phone. So let's see. Yeah, quick charge.